Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you delete your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see a bunch of options in here. You just simply have to tap into this icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into there you will get to see your profile. Select your profile, and then if you look at here at the bottom you will get to see close account. Tap into close account and then check this box and tap to close account again. Now you have to tap into close account again, and after that tap to I understand. Before tapping into I understand, just simply read all this notice and informations in here and then tap to next. Now you just simply have to enter your password in here. Just simply select this section and enter your password and submit your request. Then your account deletion request will be sent to Bitget and you can delete your account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.